So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be testing out and reviewing these two very affordable makeup sponges. I know that you guys might be looking for a new affordable makeup sponges that they are actually very effective, and it's also going to save you some money. This is Mecca and this is the Flower Beauty. So we're actually going to be comparing these two sponges together. We'll be able to compare this both to see which one actually works better, and that way you'll be able to save some money. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. If you guys wanted to join me, or if you guys are looking for a new makeup sponges that is actually very effective, in that way will actually save you money, please keep on watching. Flower Beauty. So you can actually purchase this in Australia from Chemist Warehouse, and this actually retails $7.99, and in the US you can actually purchase this from the actual website, Flower Beauty website. This actually retails for $10. They claiming sponge has a multiple angles designed for precise application in a hard to reach areas. It's also stated that this flat edge here, it's using for buffing and setting your makeup, and the curved edge here, which is this one here, the curved edge fits perfectly in the contours of the face. So this is this side here, guys, and then the tip and the detailed tip is to allow for precise application of your foundation. Sponge itself is actually very soft, actually a little bit dense when it was dried, but when it's actually wet, it's actually started to feel softer, and it was actually easy to use. It's just actually bounce very easily on your face when you've actually applied the foundation. Because it's a small sponge, it actually applies the foundation pretty much a small amount, so you can pretty much build in your foundation. And I reckon this is actually very good if you've actually got a smaller face like my face. It actually goes in very easily on your face, so really easily to get into the areas under my eyes. You know, guys, actually cleaning these washing and cleaning the Flower Beauty sponges, it's actually very easy to clean. Have any damage on the sponge, still looks brand new. The Makeup Beauty Bullet. So this is available from the Makeup website. So this is retail for $9 Australian dollars. Actually this ships international. Drop shape seamless finish, and this is 100% cruelty free and vegan free. It's a softer bouncer and never looks cakey or streaky. Wet, the sponge actually very bouncy and very soft. So at the start, when it was actually dried, it was a little bit dense. Applying the foundation now using the makeup sponge on the other side of my face. It's a pretty good amount of foundation in it, and I actually noticed when I've actually applied it on my face, because it's quite a big sponge compared from the Flower Beauty. It actually distributes the foundation a lot quicker because it's bigger, and I find it is actually a lot faster in applying your foundation. Applies very smoothly, and I find it because it's very soft, it actually just bounces really easily on my face when I've actually applied the foundation. And washing up this makeup sponges, I find it very easily to wash, but the only thing, because it's quite big, you really have to squeeze in any excess water or any soap. But other than that, actually very easy to clean. Both of these, when I've actually cleaning them both, for me the makeup sponges like a little bit slippery when you've actually started to clean the makeup sponges, compare from the Flower Beauty. It actually both applied very easily on the face, and it actually didn't cause any streakiness. It actually applied the foundation flawlessly. So with the Flora Beauty sponge, this actually has a 4.7 stars. Sponge actually has 4.5 stars based on the rating on the website. And see, not guys, so they're actually a very good quality makeup sponges, and knowing that they're actually cruelty free. These are actually very, very affordable makeup sponges. So if you guys are looking for new makeup sponges, I mean, it is entirely up to you guys what your preferences are, but I highly recommend it for you guys to check either of these. Guys, I hope I've actually did help you out in today's video, and also to actually help you to save some money. And please comment down below, guys, if you use any of these sponges before, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.